Hi Stampers, this is Dawn and today we're making this really cute Leprechaun Napkin Holder. Isn't he adorable? I got this idea from my friend Barb. I went to her house this last weekend and she had decorated her lunch table with these adorable leprechauns. Look how cute. So the napkin is actually finishing off the hat. So this is what we're going to make. But you fold your napkins. Let me show you here. So I don't want to mess up the folding that Barb had already done for me, but this is the way you want to fold your hat, so it's square at the top, and then you're gonna slide your little leprechaun right over top of that, and then it finishes off the hat. Isn't that cute? I love it, Barb. Oh my gosh. So now this was Barb's version. So I will say that I wanted to show you both versions, mainly because I loved Barb's, but I just could not get the eyes to look right with the marker. So I went ahead and did it like a punch art kind of a leprechaun. So you can see both versions. So both of them are both really super cute. We're gonna make this one today. And then I wanted to show you Barb's here. So let me show you Barb's up close. Isn't it adorable? All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So I did do a lot of the punching and cutting. So I used the circle framelits, the layering circle framelits, and I used, let me show you here. So I used the Cajun Craze. This is approximately 2 3/4 circle, the scallop. And then this one is using the petal pink for the face. And this scallop is approximately 2 1/4 with the layering circle framelits, which are right here. Okay. All right, and then we're gonna cut out the Call Me Clover. Let me tell you the measurements here. So this piece is gonna be for his little hat, the rim of his hat. And this piece is cut at 1/2 inch by 3 1/4. So this piece of basic black is cut at 1/4 by 2 3/4. So it's gonna lay right onto the Call Me Clover right at the top. So you can tell it's just 1/4 of an inch, really small. And then this is gonna be for your loop for the back piece that's gonna slide over top of your napkin. And I kinda estimated here. So this is about the same size as the hat because you want it to hide behind your rim. So this is cut at 1/2 inch again, and you're gonna cut this at 4 inches, and then you're going to score on each end at 3/4 of an inch. Okay, so you're gonna score at 3/4 and then slide it down and score at 3 1/4. Okay. All right, and then the eyes, I have the Whisper White. Let me just show you here on the basic black piece here. So the eyes I punched out with the 1/2 inch circle punch right here. And then I used, I think this is the 1/4 inch circle punch, but this is a handheld punch, and I don't think it's available anymore from Stampin' Up, but you can just use a 1/4 of an inch circle punch, and I made the eyes like that. And then now Barb used the Bird Builder punch, which looks like this for his little mustache. And it's the wing right here. So you're gonna punch out 2 of those. Now if you don't have the bird punch, I'm gonna be using the lemon builder punch. And you can see here, well maybe not so much. I'm gonna use this leaf right here on the lemon builder punch. Go ahead and punch that out. Just show you what it looks like. Hopefully that shows up. So you're gonna punch out 2 of those. So now on my sample here, I did use the bird builder punch for his mustache. So I'm gonna have 2 versions to show you using both the lemon builder punch and then also the bird builder punch. The bird builder punch is no longer available, so I wanted to give you another option. All right, so let's go ahead and make our little leprechaun. Okay, so we're going to build our face. I want to make sure the circle is going the right way to the punch. Okay, and then we're going to build our hat. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some snail along the back side, and then I'm also going to trim off the top of his head. This part you won't even see because the rim of the hat is going to cover that up, just like that. Okay, then we're going to take our black piece, I'm going to layer this right onto the Call Me Clover on top, just like that. Okay, so now I'm going to take the 1/2 inch circle punch. I'm going to punch out the petal pink for his nose. And I'm actually going to put a snail on the back of that. You could probably pop this up on a dimensional, would be really cute. And then for now his mustache, depending on what end of the lemon builder punch you want. I kind of like this little flip there. So we're going to put that there, and then making sure the flip's going the right way, we're just going to put them like that. Okay, so we're going to put adhesive on the back. Okay, so we're just going to kind of estimate where his mouth is, I guess. His mouth's going to be really low right here, so you have enough room to put his eyes on. There's his mustache and his little nose. Like I said, you could pop that up on dimensionals. And then his eyes. Now for his eyes, I wanted to really attach them to the hat. Let me take that off here. So I'm going to put snail here. So I'm going to put his eyes here. Make sure they line up really good. Just like that. Yeah, I want to kind of bring that down to kind of attach to his eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and put some snail on the back of his eyeballs. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Then bring back in his hat. And I want the rim of his hat just above his eyes, right about there. And then I'm going to go ahead and trim off the top again. You don't need that to show. Yeah, just like that. So cute. Now for the loop part of his hat, we're going to fold our score lines in. And you might want to use some tear and tape for this section, but I'm just going to use the snail for the sake of the video to make it go a little bit faster. Okay, so now the adhesive is going to get stuck behind the rim of the hat. Lining that up so it doesn't show on the front side of your leprechaun. Just like that. Okay, now I have a Sharpie marker that's in silver. And we're going to make the little buckle on his little rim of his hat. So I'm just kind of eyeballing that. Doesn't have to be perfect. So cute. And then you can draw his mouth, which I just have a black pin here. I'm just going to make his mouth. Make him a happy leprechaun. And that's it. Really, that's simple. And let me take mine here. So you're going to take your napkins. Now I will say that Barb gets her napkins from Costco or Sam's, and it's usually around the Christmas holiday because she said that she gets the red and the green napkins. So of course I have a Santa one for you for Christmas time that she gave me. Oh my gosh, that one's so cute too. But we're making the leprechaun one today. So she used the green napkins for the leprechaun because she's Irish, and the red one was for Santa. So she got to multi-purpose the napkins. So here's the one that we made today. So you're just going to slide in your leprechaun right over top of your napkin, just like that. And see how he finishes the hat? So adorable. And then now this one, the only thing I did do extra on this one is I added a little white dot for his eyes, which I didn't do on that one. So then here's one that Barb made again. Isn't it cute? So hopefully that helps you make your cute little leprechauns for March 17th for St. Patty's Day. If you have any questions, just let me know. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by and we'll see you later. Bye.